Welkom bij mijn video, ja. So, ich heet Giri, und Deutsch. Ich bin Giri, yeah? Alright, so, let's get started here, I guess. I'm just making this little video here, for this project that I'm still working on the side here. So I was going to do some things here. Let's see here, program. Yeah, that's what it is. Let's see. PowerShell is different from Linux commands. Oh, okay, cool. It's gone. And I think I can use wget. Probably. Let's see here. What are we looking at here? Probably can't grab that because it's not a tarball. I don't think they have git clone in here, do they? No, there's no git. Okay, so let's go back here. I think I have it here. Three, 5. Is that the most recent one? Zip file. Yeah. I can use wget here. Does that work? God, Windows is so stupid. Anyway, yeah, Windows is a joke. Anyway, I'm on Windows right now, because this is what I have available on this computer. So I guess I could just do it like this. Let's see, I wonder if it would work like that. Probably would. Yeah. Oh, Can I pause this? Okay, so now is it recording again? I guess it is. Alright, anyway, so I had to restart the server. So here we are. Looks like it's working. Let's see. So I guess I'm just going to record myself installing this and then working on the encrypted messenger application that I wrote in post hypertext preprocessor code. Post hypertext preprocessor code is not all that. I mean, the like the Zend engine and like the framework and stuff and the functions are not all that secure when it comes to like serious information security, but they can be made secure. You can security harden your PHP Zend engine, and the PHP functions can be hardened as long as you write the scripting code correctly and you sanitize everything. But yeah, this is separate from the C++ application that I am writing, where you would download the encrypted chat, video, audio, text, image messenger, which I have named the Runic Messenger. So this is the Runic Messenger web version. Anyway, so I was just going to correct a few things too. So is it, let's see, so it's August, right? August 28th. Okay. I'm just going to fix a few things that I've noticed here. Let's see, before proceeding with installation. Before, Looks strange. Modify and configure. Modify and configure. Really? That's strange. Service. Oh no. Before proceeding with the installation. There we go. Save that. Let me just look at this real quick. Okay, so SQL database server hostname, username, password, name, email address, processing notifications. Just want to make sure this is accurate here. Linux, Unix, BSD, new chmod, read, write. Transport layer security. There we go. SQL injection, cookie injection, MD5, hash decryption, cross-site scripting. Oh yeah, it's pretty much secure against all that stuff, I think. This is like an old project here. I really just don't have time to work on it. I wish I did because I love it. Here. Fix that. So I need that open. Okay, so localhost, username, password. Is it blank? I don't know. I just set up this little dev server here. Okay, so hang on a second. I'm gonna pause the video. Let me see here. Okay, so okay, so I think on this dev server, it's just like root with no password. So we're gonna give it a database name. Okay, prefix. Let's see, this is for difficult installations. Let me see if I can install this without doing that though. Okay, so a prefix, we'll just do that. I wonder if it has to be lowercase. Probably, huh? I'll just stick with lowercase. It doesn't truncate it, or it doesn't reduce it. Okay, so we have that. None at none, because there's no email server running anyway. There should be, there's no certificate for this, but it's not www. So we'll create the database. Let's see. It's not read-only, is it? Probably not. Oh yeah, it's read-only. That's right. You have to take it off of read-only. You can do that from the script. I'm just gonna do it manually. Okay, so we have that. Let's do that. See, it's different for Windows and Linux and BSD, GNU, Solaris, or whatever. They all have different file permission settings, you know. Okay, so we've installed that, and now, okay, here we go. So basically, this whole system is stuck on PHP version like 5.6. I have to go through all of the programming code, and there's like 20,000 lines of code in this. All of the code is really organized. I think I reorganized it like a couple of years ago. I spent a couple of weeks going back and reorganizing all of the code. I documented everything. I cleaned up a lot of things that I could clean up. But as you can see, this is like the old way of doing it right here, where you call on these functions. Okay. So that needs to be updated. I switched it over to use the password hash function, which is like Blowfish. I was gonna add like even more security. I was going to add even better security to it later on. So it's like once I have a complete security framework set up with all the security modules and stuff, I have to sit there and hand write everything from scratch. So that could take a while. but this is just the install script. Okay, so anyway, let's see. We're going to do administrator electronic email address. There's no email server set up on here. Okay, and we'll just do name and then administrator password. We'll just do like none 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's see if that works. So it claims to have installed everything to the database. Let's see if it did. Looks like it did. Okay, that's cool. That was fast. Okay, but it did not insert. It did not insert. It created the database, but it did not insert the tables. Okay, so there are no tables in here. So it connected to the local host. It connected to the database, created it, but did not install the tables. So I'm gonna have to do that manually. Okay, so it just depends on how you have your server set up. I probably didn't set up the server software. I didn't configure it. Okay, so here are the tables. You gotta sidestep it. If it doesn't do it right, you gotta sidestep it. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh the whole thing here. Maybe it did. Yeah, there's nothing in there. It's blank. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just drop them in here. Let's see if that works here. So we have that, and then we're going to put in data. Okay, we'll install this, and then we'll install the administrator account. Okay. I had to set it up like this because of how difficult it is to install to all the different kinds of like server configurations, because you have like Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP, Apple, Apache, MySQL, PHP, but this thing's mostly designed for Apache, MySQL, PHP, PHP, whatever. Okay, so we're going to do this, see if it is capable of doing it. It claims to have deleted the files. Let's see if it did. Okay, so... Alright, so it did install it. That worked, but I had to sidestep it, or I had to help it along to install. So it created the database. It's most likely the permissions or something that are set up on the PHP and the MySQL server that I installed here on Windows. Okay, so we're good. We are good on that. Okay, so anyway, let's see if I can log in. Okay, so it allowed me to log in. Okay, it looks like it did. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so let's see. Where are the add-ons? There we go. Okay. Cookie edit editor. This one's probably the best one. Actually, this one has 6,000 users. This one has 30,000 users. So this one's probably better. I usually use a different one. I use a custom-made one, but I don't have access to it right now. Okay, so we'll go back here. We will delete the cookies. We're going to delete all the cookies. We're going to go back here. Okay, so we look at cookies here. Here we go. So my system here is still using a cookie-based system. So I need to implement sessions. So this is very basic. It's still a very basic framework. I mean, it looks great and everything. Very modular, but this is like the pure PHP version. This is not the drag and drop Ajax jQuery version. There is absolutely no JavaScript code in this. It's pure PHP. So yeah. Anyway, let me go back here. Okay. So the sessions can't be hijacked. Okay, I still haven't completely updated that yet. The whole idea behind this was to make it pure PHP, you know, and that was like the cool thing about it. You know, it didn't have any yucky JavaScript code. Because JavaScript is a security nightmare, and it's also a very disgusting scripting language. You can't classify it as a programming language because it's a script. It's scripting. It's a scripting version of Java. But anyway, okay, so we're logged in here, and we're gonna go get the source code now for the Runic Messenger. Did I put it on here? I don't think I did I? That's like the old one. Oh wow, I don't have access to the new one that I was doing. Hang on a second. Okay, so we have this. Now we can go here and install a module. Okay, so we have these applications, and I guess what I could do is just in here. Yeah, because the modules don't have that, right? I have to copy something real quick here. Just copy this one. No file extension. Can't really do that on Windows unless you have everything set up correctly. But anyway, so review August. I don't have access to the one that I did here. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so we have Runic Messenger. Okay, so my idea was to, okay, we have a random number generator function here. And then we have generate the chat room. Okay, based on posting the chat room name. None of this stuff is sanitized yet. Let me see. We don't want word wrap on here. Okay, so might take a minute to get this to work. This isn't. I guess I could just play around with this. Still going. Okay, so so yeah. Upload that. Okay, I have uploaded the application successfully. Yeah, I made the Runic language pack, didn't I? Or did I? Yeah, I did. Okay, so we're looking at this now. We want to see. I need to fix that too. I need to add like I need to make these links so they can be refreshed without having to go back up to do anything here. So the file is there. The file name is going to be Runic Messenger. File permissions are public. File status is on. I have installed the application successfully. Alright, let's see here. I need to like add new icon packs to. Is it in here? There it is. Okay, so Runic Messenger. Alright. So now we can do like, I can install the link. Let's see. This thing is so old, it needs to be updated. Vanish, backup, applications, links. Probably web pages or links and web pages. Yeah. Here we go. Loaded application. Shit's old school, dude. So should come up in the list now, right? There it is. Yeah, it's the code's not the code is not it's supposed to be some error in the script. Alright, let's hunt for it. Probably a syntax error somewhere. So let's see. If get generate equals chat room curly brace. So that's 1 open, 2 open. second. Huh. I guess I could do it like that. There has to be like a syntax error in here, that's why it's not working. Okay, so I can manually hunt for this. GPG, public key. Here, two. So there's two open, right? Okay, one, 2. Okay, and then if generate chat room, else. So that's closed now. There's one open. Still one open. Huh. So it didn't close it. It didn't close the last curly brace. I don't have access to the one that I've been writing. Guess I can pause the video and go get it. So we have 1, we have 2. Close 1. Yeah, 1's still open. Where does it end? Where are we gonna end this? So we have 1. If generate chat room, okay. If module is not, if module Runic Messenger post has not posted, do that. Else, do this, and then close. Okay, and then we have GNU PG encrypt, and this one is, let's see, generate chat room. So I guess I could just put it at the end. Okay, that should work. No, it still didn't work. Let me take off something here. Okay, so undefined index, MySQL Connect, deprecated. Yeah, I didn't update to PDO yet on this. Okay, so express parameter v1, blocks, undefined variable. I need to go back and define those. Okay, so include once. Okay, notice undefined index. Okay, parse error expected in 232 without okay. So 232. Yeah, it's probably something on here. So we have that, and we have this. Okay, so we have that. Uh, Yeah, I'll just edit that out. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. So we have echo. This isn't in the echo, correct? That's what's up. Okay, so we'll take this. Okay, so echo. Wow, it's still not working. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Something wrong with that. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, so else. Okay, so we have if get. That's correct. Um. Do that. Okay. Yeah, that should work. Okay, so if get generate equals chat room. Okay, if generate chat room. Anyway, this is just debugging. So we'll go ahead and fix that, and then we will take this off real quick. Alright, so now it's blank. It's a blank application until I do this here. Generate chat room. Let's see. Alright, so that part's broke. Okay, let's see why. Alright, so if generate chat room. Yep, generate chat room. Okay, so, maximum length is 50 characters. Input type equals submit, value equals create. Okay, else. Okay, so where's the error? Okay, so we have that, slash. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that at all. So let's go down here and look. Echo. F open temporary messenger dot. I don't think it matters. Okay, so write or die. Unable to create the encrypted chat room. Dot done. Module Runic Messenger chat file name equals f open. Okay, so there is still nothing wrong with this. It should just work, but it's still not working. That's so strange. Wonder if it has something to do with the server configuration. Something. Let's see here. Line 180. Oh, okay. So class file GNU PG not found. It should be. Put environment. Get contents. Okay, so equal. And it's still not working. GNU PG set error mode. GNU PG error exception. Okay, so we'll just comment this out. Go back and I just want to see if this is going to actually load the other code that I have written here. Encrypt. Okay, so we have that. There we go. Okay, cool. So there we go. So I just have to go back in and enable the GNU PG function. So yeah, like I said, this is how it should look. I mean, I'm going to add all of these different options and stuff to this module later on. So like you'll be able to create a chat room, okay, and then like you'll have like the friend or something or the person. You'll have the information of the user, that you'll select from a list. And you'll say, you'll like highlight them to come and chat. So it can be done from the actual web browser, right? And there can be like group chat for everybody using like different keys and stuff, public and private keys. So like we can do that. That's one of the options. And then like off the record is another option. And then like AES encryption is another option. We'll have multiple different options. So like here we'll have like a drop down box right here of the different encryption options, and you can do it all from the web browser. So there will be that, and then with the C++ application that you download and compile in the terminal or on Linux, Windows, or whatever, it can also use like your specific web server to transmit the messages, so the server itself could be anywhere in the world, and it'll transmit the messages, through let's see, hypertext transfer protocol, secure, using like OpenSSL or some other kind of protocol that's like really security hardened. The messages will be encrypted, sent to the server, through the server, or they can be sent direct from person to person using like a different protocol or something, with all of these different kinds of encryption options, or a selection of stacked encryption, where each person will have the stacked encryption order. There will be like the order of the stacked encryption, so that the messages can be encrypted and decrypted. So I think that pretty much makes it unhackable. I mean, it would take like 20 years for anything to crack something like that. I mean, unless it was like a quantum computer. But the quantum computer would need to know the exact encryption order. If it was stacked encryption, it would have to know that in order to crack it. So it wouldn't be able to like just crack the messages, like that. It would have to know the order. So this could beat anything that's automated, and this could keep like messages like super secure, So later on I'll record myself programming this, and I'll show some of the C++. I'll show like the C++ application that I've been writing, and I'll show how to compile it and how to run it and stuff. I'll show the progress that I've done with this.